Okay, so the water project that I had planned for this week went south completely. So instead of doing the water project, I decided to tackle the front planter here that's totally overgrown with all of the catnip that's just spread out through the whole thing and taken over everything, choked out the tree, and just kind of crowding into the house. And you can see there's some broccoli there as well, but I can't eat broccoli anyway, so I'm going to get rid of all that and just kind of start over from scratch. So ripped everything out, left the banana plant there, and the tree. And there's actually, you can see the little lemon tree I didn't even know was still there. Got uncovered, and supposedly lemon tree. And then the bigger tree was given to me as a seedling by a neighbor. It was supposedly germinated from one of those little supposedly seedless tiny oranges. So who knows what that's going to do. I'm probably going to have to choose between one or the other of these when the lemon tree starts to grow. I imagine that they're not going to have enough room, but maybe somebody who knows more than I do can comment in the comment section. Let me know if that's enough room for both of these trees to coexist here. But probably end up cutting one of them down. The banana plant is going to stay, and probably just one of those. And I got everything ripped out, all across the front and all around the indoor cistern. I got all of that catnip out of there. I left the little purple guy. I think that's Wandering Jew. And you can see that everything in the indoor cistern is doing really well. In the summertime when it gets warm, that stuff all takes off. So yeah, that was this week's project.